Alright guys, welcome back to LJ Outdoors, and today we're gonna give you guys a boat tour. Um, I have a 2010 FX20. It's a Skeeter with a 250 Yamaha show, and I'll be showing you guys what's in the boat and what it looks like. Alright guys, we're gonna give you a tour of what's in the boat. So on the front deck, I got a few rods and reels. I have my trolling motor. This is a Mate Coda 4-Trex trolling motor. Live scope as well. It's a 101 pound thrust, 36 volt trolling motor. And we'll start with this compartment here. This compartment I have my Cinco's right there. I have my terminal tackle, creature bait, drop shot worms, just some extra umbrella rigs I found on clearance at Walmart. Couldn't pass them up. And then this box right here, got my cold tags right there, and then more tackle. Got the jigs, minnows, swim baits, crankbaits, everything in there. As you can imagine, also these for 2010. These, believe these are original. Came with the boat. All right, this side, I'm running my live scope in there. I got my battery box here, and then my black box there. Also got my navigation lights right here. And moving to this little compartment right here. I also really like on this boat, I keep my scales in here. A couple of baits I just threw in there whenever I retie my minnows. Something. On this side I keep all of my rods in, majority of them at least. Really like this system they added to the boat. The rods go in. Moving to the back of the boat. Got the built-in ruler. It goes right there. Really love that. Got this cooler right here. I'm using it as a trash compartment right now. Then you got your passenger side console right here. You got that there. Also, this one right here, this is also a cooler as well. Then you got your driver's side right here. Got my graph when I'm mapping. This foot pedal, which I also love. Moving to the back of the boat. I keep my weigh-in bag, couple extra Ned rigs, trawls, and then if I ever have, take put stuff in there as well. Got my live well system. It's dirty, really need to clean it out. It is a dual live well. tournaments, which I really like. I'm gonna be fishing a lot of tournaments this year. Got this little compartment in there. And this one I keep my life jackets in. Alright guys, moving to the back of the boat, or the back compartments. I'm running 4 batteries, uh, 3 for my trolling motor, 1 for my cranking battery, starting battery. That's my live well, or my power pole hydraulic pump right there. And this side is just another access to it. Yeah, this is my 2010 Skeeter FX20. One thing, or a few things I actually really love about this boat. It's actually my first fiberglass boat. 2024 Bass Tracker Pro 170. It was just a 17-foot or almost 17-foot boat, and with me wanting fish, it wasn't as efficient as this one is. This one's bigger, handle waves better, and just drives better. Bigger boat, bigger motor. Love it so far. Haven't had any major issues out of it except for user errors. Um, but yeah, hopefully this boat lasts me for a long time and it keeps doing great. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.